Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss about Boolean functions. Let me discuss what is Boolean function and then I will discuss the concept with an example so that you will understand the concept in a better way. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. So first let me define what is a Boolean function. It is described by an algebraic expression consisting of binary variables, the constants zeros and ones, and the logic operation notations such as or, and, not. So, what are the elements will be there in a Boolean function? It is an algebraic expression. Suppose let's take that A complement, okay, A complement and B complement or C. Okay, it is an algebraic expression consisting of the binary variables. A complement is there, B complement is there, C is there. Okay. Now, the constant zeros and ones, we don't have any constant zeros and ones in this example, but you can consider it. Suppose let's take that I have taken a function called a or 0. It is also one function, okay? And the logic operations notations such as or and not. Not can be even called as complement also. For a given set of values, the binary variables involved, the Boolean function can have a value 0 or 1. Meaning is that if I give A, B, C values, A, B, C are the Boolean variables. If they are Boolean variables, what are the inputs can be possible? Either 0 or 1 is possible. A can have the value 0 or 1. Similarly, B can have the value 0 or 1. C can have the value 0 or 1. Suppose let's take that for this example, A complement and B complement or C. Now let's take that A value I have given 0, B value I have given 1, C value I have given 0. Let's take that. Then if I substitute these values in this function, what is the output I will get? If I take A complement, 0 complement will be 1 and 1's complement will be 0 or 0. 1 and 0 is 0. Am I right or wrong? Or 0. Totally I got the value as 0. So that is what they are saying. For a given set of values, the binary variables involved, means for the binary variables involved in, if we give some values, the Boolean function can have a value of 0 or 1. Is it clear? So to make you understand in a better way, let me take all the variables involved in it. What are the variables involved in this Boolean function? I have A, B, C. Okay. So if I have A, B, C, what are the values I can give? 8 combinations I will get. Okay. And then here I will have 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. You can write 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the one way you can remember it. Okay. These are the 8 combinations you will get it. This is, if I convert into decimal number, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it clear? So totally you got the 8 combinations. Now for this one, if I substitute this function, means what is the function? A complement and B complement or C. This is the Boolean expression. Now for this Boolean expression, if I substitute the values 0 and 0 complement, it will be 1 and 1, 1 and 1, I will get this is 1 or 0. This will be equal to what? 1 only. So this will give me the value as 1 and this also will give the value as 1 because whatever this one you have or with 1. So you will get 1. Okay. Now 0, 1 and it will become 0 or 0. This will be equal to what? 0. Are you able to understand it or not? So this one will give the output as 0 and this will be what? 1, and this will be 1. Okay, if you want you can verify, not 1, sorry. This will be 0 and 1 or 0, so you will get 0 or 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so you got the 0, here you will get 1, and here you will get 0, here you will get 1. If you want to verify, you can verify it. How I got this one 1? This will be a complement, this will become 0, this will also become 0, 0 and 0 is 0, but you have or with 1, 0 or 1 you will get 1. Come to this one, 0 or 0, you will get 0. This will be what? 0 or 1 you will get 1. This will be 0 or 0, you will get 0. So this is the way I have got the value as 0 or 1 for the Boolean function. Now with this Boolean function, in the next video I will discuss how to represent in the canonical forms. Okay, either in terms of min term and max term. If you want to verify also, you can verify here. Like, see this, what are the combinations of the values a and b and c, what is the function is giving me the output as 1. Take then 1. What is the combinations it is giving? A as 0, b as 0, c as 1. It is giving me the output as 1, and here it is giving me the output as 1. Here it is giving the output 1, 1, 1. So you can represent in the canonical forms. To make you understand, I will discuss how can you represent in the canonical forms. This will be a complement, b complement, c complement. Are you able to understand? Because a value you got 0, b value you got 0, c value you got 0. So a complement, b complement, c complement, or a complement, b complement, c, okay, or a complement and bc, okay, and then this one can be written as abc. Wherever 0 is there, you make it complement, okay, and this one will be abc. Are you able to understand it or not? So this is the way you will represent the canonical forms. I hope you have understood what is a Boolean function and what is you will get the output for the Boolean function. The Boolean function can get 0 or 1 for the algebraic expression consisting of binary variables and the constants zeros and ones, and you have a logical notations such as or and not. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubt in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.